me? I hope you can hear me okay. It's a bit windy. Today, I thought we'd have a look at this Fendt in a bit more detail. I've had a few, quite a few people message me or say in the comments they'd like to know a bit more about the controls. So I thought, why not? Let's do it. So there she is. I've given her a clean as well, so she looks all nice. So yeah, let's we'll jump in cab and we will have a look at making this you know, just the basics, getting this tractor to move, getting it to go forward and backwards. Right, so first things first, handbrake. This is a handbrake on a Fendt down here. Just to release it, you pull it up, let it go forward, and that's the handbrake off. Ooh, coming down to this side. So you've got these orange buttons here, and the orange buttons mean sort of denote that these are to do with the transmission. So that one with the N, that's for neutral, that puts the tractor in neutral. The TMS, your TMS is tractor management system, and basically what that does is the tractor looks after the revs. It'll only use what revs it needs for certain jobs. So with these discs on, when the going gets tougher, the tractor will rev itself up more, and when the going gets easy, you know, it'll drop the revs down. It just sort of, the tractor does all the hard work for you. It works out what revs it needs for the load that it's under, for what it's pulling, you know, so it increases your fuel efficiency, and all CVT tractors do that, but with the Fendt you've got the option to sort of select it. So the next one to it is pedal mode. So if I press that, the little red light comes on, that means we're in pedal mode. So press that again, that means we're in stick mode. But to begin with, I think we're going to go in pedal mode, so we'll leave pedal mode on. Alright, so you can see there those two lights flashing, and that sort of means now that we're in neutral. Right, so to get going, there's this little switch on the back of the joystick here. As you can see that I'm pressing, that's like a safety switch, so I'm going to pull that, push the lever forward, the joystick forward. Now you can see it's changed to a flashing forward arrow. If I put my foot on the throttle, see we move forward. To move backwards, if I squeeze that trigger and push the lever, the joystick to the left, put my foot on the pedal, now moving backwards. Now you can do it a couple of ways. You can do it like that, or there's this little switch here. So if I want to go forward again, push that, foot on the pedal, we're moving forward, pull that back, foot on the pedal, and we're moving backwards. Now, sorry, my camera turned off then for some reason, silly thing. Yeah, so that sort of covers pedal mode, and it literally is as easy as that. You know, forward, flick that to the left, backwards, and we're going backwards. It's dead simple. It's dead simple, it's dead easy, it's marvellous. Right, so stick mode. This is how I drive it in the field. I drive it on stick mode. So I press that button there, so that's stick mode off. So now instead of, what I'll still do is still pull that trigger behind there, but instead of using the pedal, I'll pull that trigger and I'll just hold the lever forward. You can see we're moving forward. I have to slow down, I'll just pull back, and that's it, now we've stopped. And then to go backwards, I can just hold this trigger back, hold the stick back, sorry, and to stop, I can do that. So there's this thing down here which is called the angry switch. It's got 4 different positions, so I'm going to show you how that works. So if I just get myself going forward, now you can see I'm holding the stick forward, holding it, and where speed is increasing, really slowly, really slow. Right, so I stop, and it slows your speed down really slowly as well. So here we've come to a nice gradual stop. Move it up to the next position, do the same thing, pull the trigger, push it forward. Now we're speeding up a little bit quicker. And we'll skip number 3 and we'll go right to the top. Same again, pull that, push it forward, we're away. You know, a lot quicker. Pull it back and it'll slow. Oh, you can see, that's why it's called the angry switch. If you're really angry, have it right in the top and you speed up quick and you slow down really quick. Me personally, when I'm in a field, I like to have it in number 2 on stick mode because it's a lot smoother and you don't throw yourself around the cab. So that really is the sort of the basics of it. You've we just show you how to set the cruise speed. So I go back and go to the tractor menu here, and you've got C1 and C2. And these are the cruise speeds. So I click on that with my finger. When it's highlighted red, it means I can adjust it. So I'm going to scroll down, and just for argument's sake, in the field, I'm going to set it. I'll set it to 3k. Right. So say if we're just setting now, and we want to do 3k for whatever job we're doing, flick the lever to the right. Tractor now will speed up to 3k. Yeah. And it'll sit at 3k until you tell it otherwise. And with the TMS engaged, it'll stay at 3k and the revs will do whatever they want. The revs will go up, the revs will go down, they'll do whatever. So you've got C1 and C2, so they're two different, you can have two different set speeds. So you can have a headland turning speed, or you know, then a speed up, and these are your C1 and C2 buttons down here. So you can basically set them to do whatever job you're doing. Now when you're in pedal mode, you can set the maximum speed of your pedal, which is this little dial here. So you can see it there's a green box and it says 65.4. That's because this tractor does 65.4k flat out. Now if I want to reduce that, I bring this back, and if you watch on the screen, see it going back, and I'll increase it. So if you do want to drive it off the pedal, you can, and you can set yourself so you won't go any higher than a certain speed by adjusting this. So down here you've got your hand throttle, and that will, you'll use that when you're on sort of PTO work. But then you can also set your minimum and maximum speeds, but that's for another video. It is. So yeah, so when I'm in the field doing this job at the minute, I'll have it in stick mode. So, you know, just pushing it forward, and then to change direction, flick it that way, change direction again, flick it that way, or to get my cruise speed, flick it that way. There we are. Just trying to go home, and I've just set an irrigator going, and it's going over here, and quickly, I don't want to get my tractor wet. Quick before it comes back, just clean this. Oh, through. Oh dear. Just a little bit of mist, can deal with that. Right, so I think we'll leave it at that today. So if you've got any suggestions, guys, you know, things you'd like to maybe see a little bit more of on the Fendt, or anything you'd like me to show you, just write a comment and I'll do my best. And if there's a lot of comments, I'll you know, I'll pick the one that's the most requested, and we'll do that, because sort of my plans with the Fendt is to sort of take you through the headland management, sort of going end buttons, and then sort of like the various jobs I'll be doing with it, so like subsoiling, ploughing, then the you know, cultivating it. We'll have a go a bit through the top down. We've already covered these discs, but yeah, so I think that's can't think of anything else more to say. On that, yes, just get your suggestions in. Also, the farm's Facebook page is now up and running. So if you were to type Polybell Farms into Facebook, you'll get 2 Facebook pages come up. Now the one you want, if you click on both of them, the way to tell which one is the new one, which is the active one, is it'll have the more recent pictures and photographs on it. So the old one will be deleted, and I think a couple of you have liked the old one, and it's the wrong one. So if you type in Polybell Organic Farms, type that into Facebook, pick the one with the most recent pictures. And also, you know, feel free to, I mean, if you haven't got a Facebook, then that's fine, that's no trouble whatsoever. But my Facebook page, it's a really easy way for me to sort of keep people updated on what's happening, and I'll put pictures on it, and then it's just YouTube's not very good. It's good for me obviously putting videos up, but in the sort of interim period between videos, it's pretty hard for me to communicate with you. So yeah, if you've got a Facebook, if you just like Johnny1388, I'll put a link in the description. And also, if you want to like Chris's Pro Horizon, because like I say, Chris is working with the farm, so you'll see a lot. You'll see a lot of the different aspects of the farm, not just me. So I won't stop recording yet until I've got round this bridge, so you can see how tight it is. It's a bit awkward this, because if you've got someone who's wanting to turn in, like now, I'm going to get myself well over to the right. If someone turns in that way, you're on their side of the road. Gets a bit confusing. But at least it does for them. It's rather interesting getting a 35-foot combine head around as well, I must say. So these are coming my way. Little bit of a shunt, just a mini one. Like that. And we're through. Yeah, alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one.